Good evening, everyone. My presentation will be basically on the vaccine registration system that we are currently on right now. And if you are vaccinated with COVID-19 vaccine, your data will be with us. So it's basically the vaccine registration system, or what we call the VRS system. So yeah, I'm the National COVID-19 Data Manager for this campaign. And my presentation will basically just a run through of what we do here in the field. Next slide. So just a brief background of the system. The system is developed by the Fijian government through Digital Fiji. So they design the system, they give it to us, and all the information that's been thrown into the system is the custodian is the Ministry of Health. So just the language that we use is SQL, and it is developed mainly for the vaccine registration for your doses, for your dose 1 and your dose 2. So just the method of collection, data collection, it's basically we use two types of method, the online method and the offline method. Online method is simply just going online, search for the link on Google and basically type in your BRN together with your date of birth, and then all your information will be pulled from BDM. And then all you have to do is fill in all the extra information, basically your residential address and some other information that's required by the ministry. And the offline method is simply using a app, which we call the Vaccine Register. So these are mainly used for sites that do not have no internet connection. So these are for maritime areas and some of the interior of Viti level and Vanuatu. And next slide, Nam, sorry. So what if you don't fall under these two, you cannot be registered under these two platforms? We have this type of registration, which we call the exceptional registration. So these are people are pushed into this category, those we could not find their BRN, that's their birth registration number, their CCN, their citizenship number, or their work permit number. So what we do, we push them into this category, and then once they submitted their application, then it goes on to the server, and from there we'll verify all their details, just go through if all the information that's in that platform, in the registration is correct, and then only then they'll be able to receive doses. So yeah, sorry, this screenshot is pretty much a beginner's what we used to see before, but right now the numbers have really gone up. So this is what our dashboard looks like. Mind you, this dashboard is not open to the public. This is only for health personnel, those who currently work in this project or this campaign. So what we have here is just the number of people who have registered, and they sit on that total applicant, people who have registered into the system. And then those pending, you can see total pending. So these are the people that register through online. Once they submitted the application, it sits on the pending, and we'll have to go through them just to verify all their details and all the information that needs to be verified. And then once that's verified, it goes on to the next, the total verified. So total verified, these are people ready to be vaccinated. And then we have other information sitting on this dashboard, and just the count of dose 1 and dose 2. And that's basically what what the VRS is about, just recording your data. And we have another platform that we report our daily counts from all the sites, from all divisions, rather. It's called the Tupaya platform. This our daily updates for the public. So I think this is basically it. Do I have a next slide? Oh yeah. So yeah, my presentation is pretty much simple and straightforward. Any questions, please do shoot. Don't ask me for your vaccination status.
I was just gonna say, Salote, that's the only like non-confidential thing she can share for us. Other things confidential. Salote, for that presentation. Do we have any questions from the participants?